This is sounds pretty good. I mean, no. Didn't realize that was happening. Gotta fix that. Yeah. But actually doesn't sound that bad. Got a little bit more pickup than what it had before. But yeah, it's a pain in the neck to install. The piping don't match up. It's almost like you gotta install everything on the white piece, and then once it's on the floor, you have to install it. But so far, it seems to be fine. Sounds a lot better than the factory one does. And you have to take your mud flaps off if you have them, or cut them. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I might just cut the mud flaps. But I'm going to drive it, see what it sounds like, and go from there. I hope this helps you guys. I know no one's made a video on these, but they are not easy to install. It took me 2 days, about 6 hours, because piping wouldn't add up, and then on the on the pipe that goes to the heater boxes, depending on what year you have, there's an insert you have to insert to get it to fit in correctly. And then you use the clamps. You no longer need your donut clamps no more to get it all in. So it took a minute to figure it out, but like I said, sounds pretty good. And we'll see.